What on account is meant for? Right answer is option B, appropriating funds pending the passing of the budget. Friends, a vote on account is the process by which an incumbent government obtains votes from parliament to draw money from the consolidated fund of India to meet its expenses until the elections are done. Butyric acid is found blank. Right answer is option A, in butter. Friends, butyric acid is a colorless liquid. Butyric acid is used to make esters. Butyric acid is found in rancid butter. It is also found in milk and Parmesan cheese. It is soluble in ethanol, water, and ether. In 1600, the East India Company acquired a charter from which ruler? Right answer is option A, Queen Elizabeth I. Friends, the English East India Company was established on 31st December 1600 as per the royal charter issued by the Queen of England Elizabeth I. English Company was formed for the purpose of trade with East and Southeast Asia and India. No money bill can be introduced in the Legislative Assembly of a state except on the recommendation of. Right answer is option D, the governor of the state. Friends, Article 198 in the Constitution of India 1949 states that a money bill shall not be introduced in a legislative council. It can be presented in the legislative assembly only. No money bill can be introduced in the legislative assembly of a state except on the recommendation of the governor of the state. Money bill is defined in Article 110 of the Indian Constitution. Gangaur is celebrated primarily in which of the following states of India? Right answer is option B, Rajasthan. Friends, Gangaur festival is celebrated in the month of Chaitra in honor of the goddess Gauri or Parvati. This is the festival celebrated in Rajasthan and some parts of Gujarat. What is the maximum age to provide free and compulsory education under Article 45 of the Indian Constitution? Right answer is option A, 14 years. Where is the India International Science Festival 2023 organized? Right answer is option B, Faridabad. Friends, the theme of the current edition is Science and Technology Public Outreach in the Amrit Kal. The 9th edition of the India International Science Festival 2023 will be held in Faridabad, Haryana from January 17 to January 20, 2024. Sanitation is more important than independence. Who said this? Right answer is option D, Mahatma Gandhi. Friends, Mahatma Gandhi said sanitation is more important than political independence while leading a non-violent movement for India's independence in 1947. Mahatma Gandhi said, I will not let anyone walk through my mind with their dirty feet. Blank are the nomads of the Jammu and Kashmir. Right answer is option A, Gujjar Bakarwals. Friends, the Bakarwals are based in the Pir Panjal and Himalayan mountains. The word Bakarwal is derived from the Indo-Aryan language. The Bakarwals were first recognized as an Indian scheduled tribe in Jammu and Kashmir in 1991. Which of the following shortcuts is used to insert a hyperlink? Right answer is option D, Control plus K. Who was appointed as first governor in India by King of Portugal? Right answer is option B, Francisco de Almeida. Friends, in 1505 AD, Francisco de Almeida was appointed as first Portuguese governor in India. His policy, being centric on controlling the Indian Ocean, was known as the Blue Water Policy. According to Article 143 of the Constitution of India, the blank has the power to consult the Supreme Court. Right answer is option A, President of India. Windows operating system is a product of. Right answer is option C, Microsoft. Friends, on November 20, 1985, Microsoft launched the first version of Windows 1.0. This system was first codenamed Interface Manager, but later its name was changed to Windows. Microsoft headquarters is Redmond, Washington, United States. Founded by Bill Gates on 4 April 1975. What is the new name of the Chief Minister of Telangana? Right answer is option C, Revant Reddy. Friends, Telangana was formed on 2 June 2014. Capital is Hyderabad. Lok Sabha seat is 17, Rajya Sabha seat is 7, Assembly seat is 119, and present governor is Tamilisai Sundararajan. In a whole inscription, the writer Ravi Kirti compared himself with. Right answer is option D, Kalidas and Bhas. Friends, the Aihole inscription, also known as the Aihole Prasasti, is copper plate inscription from the 7th century CE that was discovered in Aihole, a village in present-day Karnataka, India. The famous Aihole inscription, written in classical Sanskrit, was composed by Ravi Kirti. Ravi Kirti was the court poet of King Pulkesin II of the Chalukya dynasty. Which Indian ruler appointed Ibn Battuta as the Qazi or judge of Delhi? Right answer is option A, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Friends, Muhammad bin Tughlaq appointed Ibn Battuta as the Qazi or judge of Delhi. He shifted his capital from Delhi to Daulatabad. He also established a loan system for the peasants. He created a department of agriculture named as Diwan-e-Kohi. He established a famine code to relieve the victims of famine. Ibn Battuta came to India from Morocco. Who settles the dispute regarding the election of the President of India? Right answer is option B, Supreme Court. The planet that lies at the outermost orbit of the solar system is. Right answer is option B, Neptune. Friends, Neptune is the 8th and most distant planet from the Sun, 4th largest planet in the solar system based on diameter. Its mass is 17 times that of Earth. It was discovered on 23rd September 1846. Which of the following is most often used in the food industry as a chemical leavening agent in baked foods such as cakes, muffins, and cookies? Right answer is option B, sodium bicarbonate. Which of the following is the first smoke-free state in India? Right answer is option B, Himachal Pradesh.